Hello everyone, and I want to showcase this 9-in-1 Philips trimmer. This is just something, documentation comes into this one. But basically, I purchased this one to remove my beard, and you could say it says that there's 60 minutes runtime, sharpening blades, self-sharpening blades, and all that stuff. This is how the box looks. It comes up with this container or pouch that you could store in. I haven't used it. The trimmer comes up in this one. Let me remove it. It's not like a professional channel, so just keep in mind this is a rough, like a real life usage. So I actually use this one, so this is like a trustworthy stuff that I could say. And again, it comes up with different sizes. So you could see this is body 3 millimeter that I've been using. uh, there is a small brush that comes to remove all the dirt or your small hairs that gets fixed. There is a nose trimmer that I've started to use because again, I never realized that once you get like older, you need to like trim your nose, or there's like bigger hair in your nose basically that starts popping up. Let's see. Let's just start placing one by one. This is the nose trimmer. This one is which one? 12 millimeter. These are the small ones. So this one is, let me see, 2 millimeter. Okay, I'm using flash, so it's kind of hard to see. Then we got this big boy. Where is it? Like this one, which is 16 millimeter. Then we got our 9 millimeter. And then this one is 3, 4, 6, 7. So basically, you could like turn around this one. I'm using one of my hand to like, how do you turn this? I'm using one hand for, to record. So let's see. Yep. So you could see we can simply just change the size from 3 to 7. I've never used this one. I simply use the body one directly, 3 millimeter. Then this one is 1 millimeter. And the way you remove this is by simply, pressing like this. And to remove this stuff, you could see it works nicely like this. There's just one button, nothing else. There's the charging area, which comes up with charger. So again, this is the charger, which I should have cleaned. I kept it somewhere around here. I never had to like recharge again because I only use this trimmer to like reduce my hair, but I go to a barber shop to actually, do the, what you call this, the shape basically. I do not know how to do the shape and I'm bad at it. I even tried to do it myself and I messed it up. So I just use this to reduce the hair and basically do it for my armpits and body hair like this. So if you want to remove this, you have to press it around here. So that was kind of annoying when I started doing this. I couldn't figure out how to do that. You basically have to push it like this. And you could see this is how it looks. There's some white stuff, or there's also my hair. So just ignore that. But you know that I've used it. That just proves that I have used it and I'm trustworthy that way for this video. But inside this one, it's not visible right now. Where is it? I think it's in here. Yeah, you could see there's some white stuff, and that comes by default by lubricant. So I have actually got scared when I saw that first, and I thought, oh, someone has actually used it. But when I just did like a quick Google search and found that it comes up like that, and you could see this is how it proves. To connect this one, so let's do this. Let's try to connect with one hand. I'm going to try to connect with one hand. Okay, I have to record and then do with one hand. That's so tough to do. Also, I'm right-handed, so why am I doing with left hand? Come on. I know I'm placing it different. Okay, so you could see I just hold it like this. So if I place it like this, come on, I just did that with one hand, and then it is connected. Pretty easy. If you had two hands, you would be able to do it easily. Actually, with one hand only, but. And you just place this into your nose, and then gone. To remove it again, you press it from this other side and it gets removed. I'm just going to cut my hair a bit to show you guys how it looks. So let's do that. Let's try placing it again with one hand. pretty raw video, right? But again, that's how you create a good one. No professional stuff, nothing, just a raw video showcasing the real power of a tool. I don't want to break it. I'm going to try with both hand. So I just connected it. It's easier with both hand. Takes like 1 second to do it. And then I'm going to use the 3mm one. So where is it? This one, body 3mm. But I could use this one too. So this one, 3mm. So let's do that. I just made it to 3 and then going to place it on top of it easily. If you want to buy this, the link is in description. So you place it from top. So first you do on the top like this. And then once you place from top, so you just place it from the top like this first. And then you just press it here. And then you could see it is now connected with 3mm like this. So let's try cutting my hair. So right now you could see that I have a beard. I actually had to trim it, but let's do it. I'm not going to do everything because I do not have anything place around it. I'm not in the bathroom, I'm out in the room. But I think I'll just do one area to show how this looks so that I do not have to clean a lot around here. And you could say it just works nicer. See, there's some cut with 3mm. Lots of hair has fallen. You could say it works nicer. This is 3mm by the way, so it's not going to be a big difference. But again, you could check this hair and this hair, and it starts to look better. If I try to do this stuff, like I'm not trimming right now because there's too much stuff that would fall. But if I try to do this stuff, it would look like better right now, and you could see the difference with this hair and this hair. So yeah, get this one. It's pretty good. It has 60 minutes what you call run time, which is not good for me because I do like very slow and then do my armpits too, and then body hair too. But what they say is that you could use it like in 10 minutes every day for 6 days in 1 week of charges. So basically, if you go to a barber, which I do, and then they shape it. So right now, it's not shaped right. I did shape it like 2 weeks ago, I think. But you could say they shape something like this for my hair, and then I just have to do trim every single day to keep it simple, like in 10 minutes. So you could do 1 day charge for 7 days for basic trim. So just making it, just keeping the size. But I do use like the barber to do the trimmings because they are better than me, obviously. So this is just 1 minute of trimming difference with 3mm. I don't know how visible it is because of the lighting, but I also like removed the wireless mic, so the voice would be different. But I did do like 3mm of my mustache. This one, and yeah, I think it looks good. I do not know how to shape it well because if I do shape well, then my face would look better because I do not have, the chin like this. So, doing some shape makes the chin look better, the jawline look better. But I do not try. I'm bad at shaping, so I shaped it like once or twice, and it just didn't go well. So I just leave the shaping to barber. But once shaped, I just do some trimming every like once in a while, or when I want to go out. And yeah, I think it looks good. It looks nicer. It's very easy, very fast to trim. And yeah, that's all. Hopefully that was good. I don't know how to show my nose one, so nose trimmer just works. So just take my word for it that the nose trimmer works. Okay, goodbye.